In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to place reviews on TEMU with this full guide. Whether you're a seasoned online shopper or new to the platform, providing feedback on your purchases is a fantastic way to assist fellow shoppers and drive quality improvements. So, let's dive right into it. First things first, you'll need to visit www.temu.com and log into your account. Doing so will allow you to access your previous orders and ensure your review is linked to an actual purchase. This adds authenticity and reliability to your input, making it even more valuable to the community. If you haven't already signed up, it's a quick and straightforward process. Just make sure you have a valid email address handy. Once you're logged in, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen where you'll find your profile icon. Click on it, and from the drop-down menu, select your orders. This will take you to a page listing all the products you've purchased. Your reviews should be based on personal experience, so having this list makes it easier to recall the specifics of each item you've bought. Now scroll through your orders to find the product you want to review. Once located, simply click on the Write a Review button associated with that product. It's essential to ensure that your feedback is specific and detailed. This is what makes reviews genuinely helpful to future buyers. Next, you'll be prompted to select your star rating. This is your chance to convey the overall satisfaction or dissatisfaction you felt about the product. It's a 5-star system, with 5 being excellent and 1 being poor, so choose the rating that best aligns with your experience. After selecting the appropriate number of stars, proceed to type in your feedback in the provided text box. When composing your review, try to include as much detail as possible. Discuss various aspects such as the product's quality, usability, value for money, and whether it lived up to your expectations. Sharing both positives and negatives will offer a balanced view for anyone reading your review. Remember, honesty is crucial. Your truthful opinion will help others make informed decisions. Finally, once you're satisfied with the star rating and the written portion of your review, click the Submit button to finalize the process. This last step secures your feedback on the platform. Your review is now accessible to others who are seeking guidance, and you've made a valuable contribution to the TEMU shopping community. Thank you for taking the time to share your experiences. It's actions like these that help make online shopping a better experience for everyone. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to check out our other videos for more tips and tricks in navigating the e-commerce world.